What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the interweb? Welcome back to Valley 3D. So, if you noticed, I haven't posted a video in a while. We have been dealing with a crap storm, and let me elaborate a little bit. So, first and foremost, we had a gas leak in behind our wall in our basement. So, our house was filling up with natural gas. Not ideal. Second, we had our downstairs bathroom burst a pipe and flooded out the bathroom in the one area. And now we're dealing with a broken water main. And on top of that, we've had what have we had? 3 or 4 power outages in the last week. I think it's been hectic. But yeah, it's kind of thrown a wrench in the way I make some videos here, but we're gonna get it sorted out. In the meantime, just enjoy this little update, if you will, and kind of my process, so stay tuned. Alright, there's officially nothing worse than being in the middle of a 7-hour print and having the bloody power go out. So, oh, that's what just happened again. But I have a solution, so let me get this going, I'll show you. So both printers running at full bore apparently take 150 watts. So yeah, there you go, if you were ever curious. So yeah, we are officially running off Ford F-150 power to get these things done. There's still 3 hours on this one. I don't know if you can see that. This guy, still an hour on that one. This is the one I don't want to lose. If that one fails, whatever, I can deal with that, because it's, as you can see, it's only 20% done. But this is quite far into the print, so we're not losing this one. Oh my gosh, so after all that excitement, you can see behind me, the power just came back on. So luckily that was only out for maybe 30 minutes, but it seemed like it was an hour. So, but nonetheless, they are still running off my truck. So I'm gonna switch this over right now from the truck, and hopefully these are salvageable. So, if you're ever wondering if your power inverter can run your printers, yes it can. My inverter is only 300 watts and it's running both, so keep that in the back of your mind.